Alright guys, recently I posted a video on my channel of us biking and I didn't quite get to my destination, so I'm wondering how much farther I can go with the Neo 2 when just walking at a normal pace. So here I am at a local park. It's exactly 1 kilometer around. Let's see how long we can walk until the battery goes from 100% to 0. All right, drone is right there. Super calm day, which means we're going to get a lot of extra distance out of the Neo 2's battery. Let's see. Okay, at 29%, and we're coming up a 1 kilometer. And it's about 9.5 minutes of continuous recording. All right, here's a final. We did about let's say 1.2 kilometers, 11 minutes. And here's when the battery just went down here.